Hey guys, what's going on? Something special is about to happen. On February the 5th, Builderall is moving to a responsive HTML5 builder. And we're going to have some autoresponder mail emboss updates. Oh my God. I don't know about you guys, but guess what? I know we said a lot, but this is for real. Seriously, a game changer. Some of the things that Builderall was getting talked down about, or some of the bad reviews that they were getting from other companies were that they sites were not responsive, meaning that when you close I mean when you are expanding or closing a window using your mobile device, whatever the case may be, the the words on the site were not moved, they were not responsive. All right, I will show you what's the name, but we're not going to do it today. But anyway, they were not responsive. That's the thing that ClickFunnels is so good at. Their sites and everything are responsive. But Builderall was not. It was a great. Uh, 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 um, it was a great software. Always have been. It was great in everything that it did. You just had to do extra work to get it there, but it was not responsive. Now we are moving and we're updating the software to now as of February the 5th, and you guys are going to see a video on this very soon that this Builderall will be responsive, and it's going to be a game changer. All right, so just think of ClickFunnels on steroids. This is that. Just think of Online Sales Pro or the conversion pros on steroids times 10. This is that system right here. Just think about Shopify on steroids. This is the system right here. Everything you need is right here. You don't need to go to another place, another site, another software. We got everything you need right here. All right. But again, breaking news as of February 5th, Builderall is moving to a responsive site, and a lot of more updates, but the main thing would be the responsive on their websites where you're able to see the changes on whatever device that you're using, and it will become a wonderful, moving, flowing website. So you're able to make these for businesses in your local area, or you're able to make wonderful sales funnels for whatever business that you're in, MCA, legal, shield, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, whatever the case may be, you're able to use this Builderall because it's stepping up the game. It's stepping up its game, and the price is still $29.90, and we're still giving it away for free with no credit card required. You don't have to use the credit card to get this free trial. You can just use it, and everything that comes with it, and you get to test drive this thing. And I promise you, once you test drive, you won't want to get out. You'll want to buy the whole car. Hey, this is it. $29.90 right here is a one-time fee of $97. It's a one-time investment of $97 for the second tier commercial license. That's it. That's all. And again, for the first month, you will receive 100% commission on each sale that you bring in. And then it is residual. Every month it's residual income. But the thing about it, the main thing that I wanted to point out on this one was the responsive HTML builder. This is really going to change the game for Builderall versus competitors. And the mail emboss, the autoresponder updates, a new support ticketing system, and a Facebook supporting group. We are on the up and up. Get on while you can. As of right now, it's $29.90. Who's to say it's going to take its price up to $50 a month? It might. It might be $100 a month. I don't know. It well deserves it. It deserves its $50 a month or $100 a month. It deserves it. It's there. It's supposed. I mean, it's well deserved. But as of right now, it's still at $29.90. See, guys, you have to understand. Builderall is still at the ground level. We're still in the ground level in America. In other countries, they were pretty, high, but in the ground in America and USA, we're pretty ground level. So we're starting pretty much from the bottom. I am starting with this company from the bottom and working my way up. And by time next year or the next couple of years, next thing you know, Builderall will be one of the most talked phenomenons, just like ClickFunnels, and we will be on top running things. So my suggestion to you, I have a hard time saying that word. My suggestion to you is to get on while you can. All right, guys, have a great day. Remember, we are looking at the word impossible in a different way. Guys, have a great day. God first. God bless. God first. I'm out. Peace.